muda aliopewa anashinikizo, manake he'll be working under pressure to deliver for CHAN, to deliver for AFCON, and later to deliver for the 2026 World Cup.
Are you a coach? You are not.
Maybe you say I'm a prisoner, so maybe I'm a coach in the prison.
No, the thing is, Benni McCarthy was given that chance, and he said that, you know, first, this is something that Davis, you've had, something that Cedric, you've had, something that Daniel, you've had, something that Hassan has had. The biggest question was, first, how you, what type of style are you going to bring to the national team? He said it's going to be a winning style. So we are waiting for that. The second question was, are you going to include juniors in your team? He said, yes, I'm open. If you are
amewajumuisha. Angalia Kelly Madada ameingia katika timu ya taifa.
Bro, simgoja hata nimalize.
Okay.
He said, if you are good enough, you are old enough, you can play. So we'll be waiting to see at the end of the day, the national football team, Harambee Stars. Yes.
If you allow me a minute.
Yes.
You know, I've talked about working with the structure that has worked before. If you can't actually, if it can't work for you, it's better actually to call it and go back to the drawing board.
Yes.
I have two aspects that has worked for Kenya since 1990, when I was still alive and following the Kenyan soccer.
Sedo, you're not dead.
That was you know, that was Reinhard Fabisch, who came in Kenya, as I mentioned before, between 1997 and
2004.
Put together a structure that culminated to Africa Cup of Nations 2004. That really did wonders to this nation. Thereafter, Kenya struggled again until when
2019.
No, but that 2019, the structure of 2019 started in 2012.
Yes.
Are you remembering?
Yeah,
when
I
SuperSport came on board, they brought in a structure that worked for the national team, that actually cultivated the talent we are talking about within the Kenyan environment. And then it came Sebastian Minye, who actually capitalized on the existing structure to put Kenya to that particular Africa Cup of Nations arena. Currently, as we speak, there is no structure at all. If he comes in with the Manchester United idea, comes in with the FC Porto idea, he will again start from zero to assemble those things and make it work for him, which requires time.
For Egypt, we didn't qualify directly for the AFCON 2019.
But at least we are playing good soccer.
But we were given the chance of Sierra Leone.
Gor Mahia were in quarter-final Confederation Cup. Currently, we speak, no Kenyan team is
in the history books, it's written 2019. Kenya qualified for Africa Cup of Nations. Kenya lost 2 matches, that is against Algeria,
the title.
2 teams that played in the final, and then Kenya defeated.
I'm just talking about the road to the AFCON.
Now,
aside from that, it's that tournament that we have one of our best centre-back, Joseph Okumu, who, and again by that time was a youth, if you remember very well. So those structures were working for us by that particular time.
Kariuki, tuendelea mpira nyumbani ama tuende majuu?
Tuangalia hata nini
hii wiki tuko na nini? Hii wiki kulikuwa na nini? Yes, so let's move away from what is happening in football locally.